What comes to mind when you hear the words supply chain? Trucks, warehouses, shipping containers. You're not wrong, but supply chains are much bigger than that. Every industry runs on a supply chain. Healthcare, airlines, retail, manufacturing, banking, entertainment, e-commerce. Behind every product, every service, every customer experience is a complex network of people, technology, operations, and decisions working together. Yet very few people ever get to see how it all comes together. That's about to change. Welcome to Inside the Supply Chain, a new Aleph Talks series exploring the industries that keep the world moving. In every episode, we'll sit down with industry leaders to explore how supply chains, operations, strategy, technology, and leadership come together to create value. From hospitals and ports to cinemas, retailers, manufacturers, and digital businesses, we'll uncover the stories behind the systems that keep our world moving. Whether you're a supply chain professional, business leader, student, or simply curious about how industries really work, this series is for you, because every industry has a story, and every story has a supply chain. Welcome to Inside the Supply Chain.